Next, we are going to implement the next functionality in the user management module, the create user feature. And this is our task list in this section. First, we need to create the user form page in JSP, and then we use JavaScript to validate the user's inputs in the form, and we need to code a Java Servlet class that handles uh, the submission of the user form. And this Servlet class, we invoke the user services class method to proceed a new user object into the database. And finally, we need to create a message page to display successful message or failure message. And you can see this is the design of the user form page. Create new user. There are three fields to